Yeah, so good evening everyone. Good morning everyone. Yeah, before going to start the today's class, so let me explain something about Unacademy and the facilities what Unacademy providing to students, right? Let me explain little bit about Unacademy so that we can proceed further. Those people who are preparing for GATE examination, those people who are preparing for PSU exams, those people who are preparing for campus placements, those people who are preparing competitive examination, right? If you are a student and you are preparing for computer science, any competitive exam, right, my suggestion is join in Unacademy, right? So get the right, top educators lectures, recording also, live also, and you can complete in a month 3 to 4 subjects based on the, right, how much hard work you will keep. If you keep more hard work, right, you will complete the syllabus as soon as possible. So if you are serious, please join in Unacademy. Unacademy top educators will help you to achieve your goal, right? And one more thing is, right, 27 to 30 this month, right? I think 27 to 30 means I think tomorrow is 30, right? So today or tomorrow, if you subscribe in Unacademy, if you subscribe today or tomorrow, you will get 20% off. 20% off. It is the better chance, it is the better one, better offer, right? It is for all Unacademy subscriptions. 20% off if you take subscription from 27 to 30. So 6 months plus course you have to pay only this much. 9 months plus course you have to pay only this, right? Next one. So 12 months plus course you have to pay only this. 18 months, 24 months, right? Iconic, right? 6 months is going to be this, 9 months is this, 12 months is this, next one is going to be 18 months is this, next one is 24 months is going to be this one. So utilize this. If you are serious about the competitive exam, you want to crack with nice rank, my suggestion is without delaying join in Unacademy. Next one. If you want to prepare from Unacademy top educators printed notes, if you want to prepare from Unacademy top educators printed notes, this is only for plus people and iconic people. You can buy, right, using the referral code ReddySir. You can buy using the referral code ReddySir. Right, if you are preparing for competitive examination, you want Unacademy printed notes also, right? For plus people and iconic people, we used to give soft copy. If they want printed notes also, they can go for you can buy, right, using the referral code ReddySir. You will get the 20% discount also. Next one, if you are a plus member, you want to shift to iconic, right? So and one more thing, plus you done already in the, right, EMI model. So per month you have to pay 555 extra, then you will get the right, iconic features also. Next one, if you are a student, it's a very important announcement. If you are a student and you are preparing for any competitive examination in your cell phone, I strongly recommend. If you are a student and you are preparing for a competitive examination, right, I will strongly recommend you in your cell phone, Unacademy learning app should be there. Unacademy learning app should be there in your cell phone. Because the reason is, after Unacademy learning app downloading from Play Store, just type in the Play Store Unacademy learning app. You download. After downloading, right, you will go to my profile, Subbarao Lingamgunta. You just go to my profile. After going inside my profile, you will see so many special classes which are free, right? The interesting thing about those special classes is quality content is there, and one more, you can attend the live classes also freely, and you can, right, you can post, right, you can be part of the polls also, and whenever class going on, you can ask doubts also. And one more thing is, never miss a class, because they will send the notification before every class, and after class over you can download also, anytime anywhere you can watch, because recording also available. These many facilities are there. Now go to the next one. So if you can participate Unacademy daily scholarship test also. You can participate Unacademy daily scholarship test also. If you get rank 1, you will get 50% scholarship. If you get the top 1 percentile, right, 30% scholarship. Top 10 percentile, 15% scholarship. Bottom 90 percentile, 10% discount. Next one, you are preparing for competitive examinations of computer science, and if you want Unacademy PYQs, if you want practice purpose, if you want Unacademy PYQs, right, you can get freely, just, right, enroll or call this number, they will help you. And one more thing is 10 years subject wise tests are available. Test your level of preparation, get all India rank also. Next one, in Unacademy learning app, on the home page you will see community. Click on that. There search option will be there. Type my name, Subbarao Lingamgunta, right, then follow me. You will get the notes also, DPPs also, and important questions also, exam tips also, tricks also, preparation talk and motivational messages. Many advantages are there. Please follow me in Unacademy community. Please follow me, you will get lot of advantages. Next one, so today I think 29th June, today Lakshya batch is starting. 29th June Lakshya batch is starting at 6 p.m. Computer network I am starting, right? Use the referral code ReddySir. So in this batch I am teaching 7 subjects. I am teaching 7 subjects in this batch. Approximately will get the 70 marks. Next one, if you are a student and you want to join in Unacademy, if you have some financial problem, you can join 0% EMI also. Means, right, without paying any interest, you can take EMI option. Without taking any, right, we don't take any interest, 0% interest, EMI you can take. Approval in 2 hours, minimal paperwork, flexible tenures, and anyhow, if you have any doubts, you can call this number, they will help you. Unacademy, right, account team will help you. Next one, these are our previous rankers. We got last year rank, 4th rank, 8th rank. We got last year 1st rank, 3rd rank, 4th rank, 8th rank. I wish this year we will get many more ranks. I wish you will be there this year ranks, 2023 GATE exam, right, ranks. I wish you will be there on this slide. It is possible with Unacademy. Trust me, it is possible with Unacademy. Next one. If you join Plus course, you have these many advantages. If you have Iconic, these many advantages are there. So my suggestion is, please go for Iconic if possible. Next one, if you go for Plus course, 24 months you have to pay this much per month. 18 months per month you have to pay this much. 12 months you have to pay this much. 9 months you have to pay this much. 6 months you have to pay this much. Use the referral code ReddySir. Next one, right? If you want, you can join Iconic, because comparing Plus, Iconic having many advantages. Many advantages are there. So they written also. See this one: access to curated test series, daily practice questions, India's best educators, interactive live classes, one-to-one live mentorship, priority in live classes, physical notes also, right? Please careful. So if you join Iconic, 24 months you have to pay this much per month, 18 months, 12 months, 9 months, 6 months, right? Fine. Now let's come to the right difficult problems of or do or die problems of, means they are really important. Let's come to important problems, right? Discussion, right? Computer science important problems discussion. Let's go here. Consider a single linked list of the form where f is a pointer to the first element of the linked list and L is the pointer to the last element of the linked list. The time of which of the following operations depends on the length of the list. So this is the given problem. Please try to give answer within few minutes. I will help you. One linked list is given, that is also single linked list. First pointer pointed by f, last pointer, right? First node is pointed by f, last node is pointed by f. So I am repeating once again. One single linked list is given. First node is pointed by f, last node is pointed by L. Now is asking the time of which of the following operations depends on the length of the list. This is the given problem. So if you know the answer, please post in the comment section. If you know the answer, please post in the comment section, right? Accordingly I will explain. If anyone knows, those people who are watching, instead of keep quiet, those people who are watching, instead of keep quiet, my suggestion to you is, if you are watching this one, instead of keep quiet, the best suggestion is please participate and give your opinion, right? I will explain whatever is possible from my side. If any positive is there, please take it. Negative is there, please leave it. So try once. Those people who are watching, please give your answer. Those people who are having any doubt, please post your doubt. Please ask your doubt. I will help you. Please ask your doubt. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Those people who are watching, right? Just respond. What is your answer? What is your answer first of all? Please post in the comment section what is your answer. One single linked list is given. First node is pointed by pointer F. Last node is pointed by pointer L. Last node is pointed by pointer L. Then is asking which one of the following operation on the given linked list is based on length of the linked list. Right? I will try to give answer. I given enough time. I will try to give answer. See the answer now. I given enough time, so I will try to give answer. Please see everyone. It is the linked list. It is the linked list. So as he mentioned, first person is pointed by, let me write F, last person pointed by L. It is a null, right? It is a single linked list. First node is pointed by F, last node is pointed by L. It's okay. Now which one of the following is based on the length of the linked list? Which one of the following is based on the length of the linked list? I will try. Can you help me now? Delete the last element of the list. Right? So because of last node pointer is given, you will go directly there. It's okay. Last node pointer is given, you will go directly because you want to delete last element. If you want to delete last element and last element pointer also given, you can go directly, no problem. After going directly, deleting this one is nothing but previous next means this one you have to make null, but you cannot go back because it is a single linked list. It is a single linked list. So because of pointer there for the last node, you can go directly. I am happy. Because of pointer there, you can go directly. I am okay. After going directly, deleting last is nothing but if you delete, before that node next will be null. If you delete the last node, before that node whoever there is next is null, but you cannot go back. So what you do is, because of you cannot go back, you can go directly. After deleting, previous next should be null, but you cannot go back because it is a single linked list. So what you can do is start from starting until right second last node will come, continue. Whenever second last node stop, after stopping you can delete. So remember first operation is based on the length of the linked list. First operation based on the length of the linked list. Check if anyone having any doubt. Till now A is the answer. Let's see the B. Delete the first element of the list. You only say if you want to delete the first element, you go for entire linked list. If you want to delete the first element, you go for entire linked list. So it cannot be the answer. Next one, add an element after the list. Add an element after the last node. If you want to add after last node, create one node using malloc, link it. Create node, right? Create one node, just link it. Add an element after the last element of the list. If you want to insert a element at the end, right? Definitely length of the list is not required. If pointer is not given for the last node, then definitely, right? Pointer is not given, then length required. Because a pointer is given, directly go to last, link it. So C also wrong. Next one, interchange first two. If you want to interchange first two, what you do with the entire linked list? So there is no use. Answer for this problem is A. Those people who are watching, any doubt is there before proceeding to next problem, right? Those people who are watching, if any doubt is there before proceeding to next problem, please ask now. If at all no doubt is there, please type, go to next problem. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask. Check if anyone having any doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Anyone having doubt, let me know. So if you don't have any doubts, just say next problem. Ishant is saying, can you say once buffalo? Are Ishant, when you are there in the YouTube, please have decency. Are Ishant, are brainless fellow, when you are there in the YouTube, please behave like a professional. We can do whatever we want in the plus class. We can do whatever we want in the iconic class because it is ours. Are it is, we are there in the public, man. Control yourself. Are Ishant Buffalo, control yourself. Right, let's go to next problem. So many people are saying go to the next problem. Many people saying go to the next problem. Let's go to next. Let's go to next. This is the problem. Can you check once? If you want, I will make little larger also. Yeah, fine, perfect. Now check what will be the answer. See, those people who are watching, don't sit like a stone. Those people who are watching, don't sit like a stone. Respond. Right? Type your answer. Type your answer. I will say my answer. Any doubt is there, ask. You should cooperate to me. I should cooperate to you. That is the reason I am teaching, you are listening. So I am teaching and you are listening. We should cooperate each other. I will give the problem. You give answer, your opinion. Please comment in the comment section. Right? I will see the comment section. Accordingly, I will plan of, right, explaining. Right? By seeing your comment section, I will plan teaching accordingly. So can you post your answers in the group? Can you post your answers in the chat? Try to give answer for this. I will give answer. I will give answer. Please type your answer. Those people who are listening, those people who are watching this class, please respond your answers. Please post your answers. Please post your answers. If you don't post, how I know what problem you are facing? If you don't post, how I know what problem you are facing? So my suggestion to you is, whatever is there in your brain, please post in the comment section. I will help you. I am teaching to help you only. Otherwise, what purpose I am teaching? You have some doubt. You are not saying, so I don't explain. If you say, I will explain. Right? Fine. Please try. The numbers 1 to n are inserted in a binary search tree in some order. The numbers 1 to n are inserted in a binary search tree in some order. In the resulting tree, the right subtree of the root contain p nodes. The first number to be inserted in the tree must be, right? It's, remember it is a binary search tree. Remember it is a binary search tree. Remember it is a binary search tree. And one more, remember it is a binary search tree. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. See, continuous number. Remember, these are continuous numbers. These are continuous numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n. These numbers are which are continuous. So suppose assume that 1 to 10 or 1 to 5 or 1 to 100 or 1 to 500, but continuous. Remember, continuous. These continuous numbers are inserted in a binary search tree in some order. Remember, these elements are inserted some order. What is the meaning? First maybe 5 can come. First maybe 20 can come. See this one. Suppose that n value assume that 100. So elements are 1, 2, 3 and so on 100. These are the elements. They came in the insertion in some order. Maybe first 100 came. Whenever insertion is going on, first 100 came. Whenever insertion going on, first 2 came. Whenever insertion is going on, first 10 came. Whenever insertion is going on, first 7 came. So they came in some order. They came in some order. But remember, in the BST, insertion is going on. Whoever will come first, he will be the root. In the BST, insertion is going on. Whoever will come first, he will be the root. But in the case of AVL BST same. But in the case of AVL, right? Whoever will come first, no. Anyone can be the root because rotations also going on. Suppose whoever first came, he will be the root. Some point of time rotation may happen. So in the AVL, whoever will come first in the insertion, he will be the root. No guarantee. But in the BST, guarantee because there is no rotations. BST, no rotations. Whoever will come first in the insertion order, he will be the root. So these elements came in some order. So anyone can be root. If these elements came in this order, then 1 is the root. If these elements came in the reverse order, then 100 is the root. If these elements come in the any order, then any will be the root. So root can be anything, but remember it is a BST. It is a BST. Let us assume that I want to ask one thing. Let us assume that 1 to 10 people are there. Let us assume that 1 to 10 people. Please help me. I will ask you one small question. Please help me. If at all 6 will be the root. 1, 2, 3 and so on 10 people. Let us assume that 6 will be the root. If 6 is root, left side who will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you say right side who will be there? Because of it is a BST, right side who will be there? 6 root means 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? If at all 6 will be the root, because of it the BST, left smaller, right greater. Left 5 people, right is 4 people. So can you say right hand side how many people are there? 4 people. Left hand side how many people are there? 5 people. So who is the root here? 6. Now read the problem. You will get clarity. Read the problem. The numbers 1 to n are inserted in a binary search tree in some order, means anyone can be root. In the resulting tree, the right subtree of the root contain p nodes. The right subtree of the root contain p nodes means I think p node, this is p is 4. The right subtree of the root contain p nodes, p value 4. Next one, the first number to be inserted in the tree, because of any order you are inserting, right? Anyone can be root. Suppose if you insert 6 first, then 6 will be root. If you insert 25 first, then 25 root. So he is asking, then the first number to be inserted must be, I think 6, right? So can you help p value 4, n value 10. Can you help p value 4, n value 10. Can anyone help p is what? P is 4, n is 10. Can you help me one small? P 4 is root is 4. No, it is wrong. Next one, p plus 1, p value 4, 4 plus 1, 5. No, root is 5. No. Next one, can you help n value 10, p is 4, totally 6. I think 6 is the root. Yes. Next one, n value 10, p value 4, plus 1. 10 minus 4 is going to be 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is the root. No. Answer is C is the answer. Answer is C. Answer is C. Answer is C. Check one time. Answer is C. Sir, why not you teach entire syllabus on the YouTube? Arey Shubham, if you teach entire syllabus on the YouTube, right? How Unacademy should run? How, from where they have to give salaries to employees? Arey Shubham, don't you understand this? From where Unacademy employees all little bit. Whatever possible they will help. Whatever possible they will help. Whatever possible in their limits they will help. Right? Right. Verify. If anyone having any doubt, verify. The numbers 1 to n are inserted in a binary search tree in some order. In the resulting tree, the right subtree of the root contain p nodes. The first number to be inserted in the tree must be. Answer is n minus p. Answer is n minus p. Answer is n minus p. Right. So those people who are having doubt, please write in the comment section. If you don't have any doubt, please write next question so that I can proceed further. If you have doubt, you ask in the chat. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. If you don't have doubt, please write next problem. Please write next problem. Otherwise, say doubt. What doubt you have? Doubt is there, right? Doubt is there. Doubt not there. Please say go to next problem. Those people who are watching, I want answer from everyone. I want answer from everyone. If you have doubt, you write your doubt. If you have doubt, you write your doubt. If you don't have doubt, please type next problem. Please don't sit like a stone. Please don't sit like a stone. No doubt, then say next problem. Doubt is there, say doubt. Doubt is there, say doubt. Doubt is not there, say next problem. Hello? Hello? Right, let's go to next. Yeah, this is the next one. I hope now it's fine. Can you see what is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Can you check one time? This is the next problem. Can you say what is the output of this program? Please try seriously. If you don't want to try seriously, the best thing is if you don't try seriously, there is no use. It is wasting time. If you are serious, my suggestion to you is take the Unacademy subscription. All the top educators are teaching. Plus course is there where A to Z available. Recording also there, live also there. If you are serious, right? Take Unacademy subscription where plus course is available A to Z, iconic course available A to Z, test series also there, lot of practice also there. Take that particular one, right? Please do one nice attempt. It is my sincere advice to you. It is my sincere advice. If you are serious, please do that. If you are serious, can you give answer for this? Give answer for this. Try to give answer for this. Some trickiness is there in this problem. In this problem, some trick is there. In this problem, some trick is there. Can you try once? Those people who are watching, can you write your answer in the chat? Those people who are watching, can you write your answer in the chat? Please write your answer in the chat. Yeah, so let me give answer. Let's check your answers first. Let's check your answer. I think some people saying 10, some people saying 13, some people saying circuit condition, some people saying, I think Shoaib Akhtar saying 13. Are Shoaib Akhtar, say one time. Shoaib Akhtar, say one time. 13. How many times you will say? Right? Let's start. Shoaib Akhtar saying 13. Right? Is it 13 or something else? We will see now. I am starting. Everyone listen. Right? So Shoaib Akhtar saying 13. Someone is saying 10 also. I will execute one time. Maybe Shoaib Akhtar is correct. I will check one time. Let's see. Listen everyone. X value 0. I. X value 0. I value 1. Right? I is as of now garbage. First line is completed. So I will try from this side. Yeah, fine. That's okay. I will try here. X value 0. I is garbage. Current status. Next one. So I is equal to 0. Yes. 0 less than 10. Condition true. For every true, go inside. I value 0. I less than 10. Condition true. Go inside. Can you help me now? I value 0. What is the 0 modulo 2? 0 modulo 2. Remember everyone. A mod B. Answer is A. If A is less than B. Careful. A mod B. Answer is A. If at all A less than B. Careful this line. A mod B. Answer is A. If A less than B. So be careful. So I value 0. Can you help me now? What is the 0 modulo 2? 0 modulo 2 is 0. Next one, 0 and anything. 0 modulo 2 is 0. 0 and anything is 0. So if condition is failed. First time if condition fail. 0 modulo 2 becomes so 0. 0 and anything is 0. So I think see this one. 0 and here it will fail. 0 and end operator. Right, by seeing 0 and right, it's gone. No need to execute further. It don't execute also. Then because of if condition is fail, inside if you cannot go. because of if condition is fail, inside if you cannot go, inside if you cannot go. So where will you go? You will go to, right, inside if you cannot go. Let me write now, inside if you cannot go. So I think you have to go to here. What is the answer? From here you will go here, I plus plus. So I value becomes 1. If condition is fail, you cannot go inside if, so outside the if, right, I plus plus, I value becomes 1. Next one, 1 is less than 10, condition true, right. Now check inside. What is the 1 modulo 2? 1 modulo 2 is 1 and x plus plus, 1 and x plus plus, x value 0, 0 plus plus is 0 only. So it is a 1 modulo 2 is, right, 1 and x plus plus, x value 0, 0 plus plus is 0 only, because it is a post incrementation. Post incrementation means it don't affect there, it will affect after. So indication that this is fail, you are out of the if, I plus plus. But remember I you are not incremented till now. So I think this became 2. But one thing, you done the x plus plus, it became 1 now. Now again I value now 2 less than 10, condition true, go inside now, go inside. What is the answer now? 2 modulo 2, 0, fail, out of the if, I plus plus, it became 3, right. Remember, until now x value 1 only, be careful. Now I value 3, right, 3 modulo 3 less than 10, condition true, 3 modulo 2 is 1 and I value 1 plus plus is 1 and 1, condition true, because of condition true you go inside, x value becomes 2, because you executed this also, x value becomes 2 now, there 1 only, but when you come out of that it became 2. Now x is equal to x plus 2, it became 4. Afterwards I plus plus, I became 4 less than 10, condition true, this condition 4 modulo 2 is 0, remainder 0 and anything is fail, I plus plus, it became 5. Next one, so 5 modulo 2 is 3, which is going to be non-zero, true, 3 and, right, 2 plus plus is 2 only, true, then it became 4 becomes 5 plus 2, 7, it became 7. Afterwards I plus plus, it became 6 less than 10, condition true. Next one, 6 modulo 2 fail, next one it became 7. Next one, 7 modulo 2 is going to be, right, 1 and, right, x value is going to be already 7, right, 7 plus plus, it became 8, condition true, it became 10. Afterwards I plus plus, I value becomes 8 less than 2, condition true, right, 8 is fail, so out of the if it became 9, 9 modulo 2, condition true. Next one, x plus plus, it became 11. Afterwards, because of condition true, it became 13. Afterwards I plus plus, I value become 10 less than 10, condition is fail, right, out of the for loop. Finally I think 13. Whatever Shoaib Akhtar said true. Shoaib, you are true. You are true. Thank you so much, Shoaib. Those people who are having any doubt, please let me know. It is one of the excellent problem. Those people who given this answer, trust me, you are fine with the programming. Remember everyone, x is equal to a plus plus. Let us know that a value already 5. X is equal to a plus plus means, right? So at the end of this code, if I print x also, a also, remember x is become 5 only, a will become 6. Careful. This is the meaning of post incrementation. A value 5, x is equal to a plus 1, x is equal to a plus plus, x is equal to a plus plus. So x value 5 only, because post incrementation, that level it don't increase, it will increase afterwards, right? Afterwards a value becomes 6. So please careful. If you know post incrementation, this problem you can do. And one more thing, everyone remember. Right? Listen everyone now. Careful everyone. 0 end anything 0 only. You no need to do this. Next one or anything, one only, you no need to do anything. This you don't execute also, you no need to touch also. Please careful. This is called short circuit. This is called post incrementation. This is called post incrementation. This is called short circuit. That is the reason someone written short circuit also. That is the reason someone written short circuit also. Someone written short circuit also because of that reason. Please verify if anyone having doubt. Those people who are having doubt, write in the doubt section. Those people who are having doubt, write in the comment section. If you have doubt, you write in the comment section. If you don't have doubt, write, go to next problem. If you have doubt, write in the comment section. If you don't have doubt, please say next problem. Hi Vanjita. Hi Imanshu. Hi Kiran. Hi Kiran. So if you don't have any doubt, you can try this problem. So if you see this, right, if you see this one, this problem may be tricky. So I think it is a combination of, see, two slides. It is a combination of two slides. Which of the above three functions are likely to cause problems with the pointer? So he is saying that in all these three codes, which code can create problem? In all these three codes, which code can create problem? This is the one code. This is another code. This is another code. In these three code, which code can create the problem? That is the thing. So if you want, I will make little larger also. Yeah, fine. In all these three codes, which code can create problem? See, function name is same, G. Function name is G. Function name is G. Function name is G. Function name is G. So G function purpose, three codes I written. Which code is correct? G function purpose, three codes I written. Which code is correct? Can you try this? G function purpose, three codes I written. Which code is correct? Yeah, let me try this. Let me try this. Let me try. If anyone is not getting, if anyone is not able to see, I'm sorry, next time onwards I will take care. I'm sorry, next time onwards I will take care. Let me explain now. Let me explain now. Let me explain now. See everyone, see int x is equal to 10. So in this function, int x is equal to 10, right? When you say int x is equal to 10, x memory will allocate value 10, address 1000. Afterwards return ampersand x. Means what is the meaning? At the end of this function, you are returning some address. Means you are returning its address. At the end of this function, you are returning its address. So 1000 is going. 1000 is going. Who will receive? From which place it came? Assume that it came from main program. Assume that this function came from main program, right? Main program someone will receive. Let us assume that in the main program I called g function, right? It is stored in the y. So assume that y is a pointer variable, int star y expecting address. So inside y this 1000 will store, right? Y address is 2000, inside y 1000 is there. Can you help me now? If I say star y, what will happen? If I say star y, what happened? Y is 1000, y is 1000. If I say star y, the value inside 1000. But what is the problem? Whenever this function is over, its local variables are gone. Whenever this function is over, its local variables are gone. So whenever this function over, that time you are sending local variable address. As soon as you will take that address, you will say star y, there may be a chance that, right, dangling pointer, using dangling pointer you are accessing, you will get garbage values, because e may be available, may not be available. This is the problem with the first code, right? The problem with the first code is a dangling pointer. The problem with the first code is a dangling pointer. Please careful. The problem with the first code is a dangling pointer. Dangling pointer, right? Using dangling pointer, if you access the content, you will get a garbage value. You will get a garbage value. So first one having problem. What he is saying? What he is saying? Which of the above three functions are likely to cause problem with the pointer? Likely, see this one, are likely to cause the problem with the pointer. Likely means there is a chance, right? Likely means there may be a chance, right? Right? So likely means if at all okay, you can leave. If at all okay, you may not say, right? Likely is saying, right? Okay, there may not be problem, but he's saying that likely cause a problem. I think in the first one, dangling pointer, garbage values, right? Problem is there. Which one of the above three functions are likely to cause problem with the pointer? One having problem. See, everywhere almost one is there. One is likely to cause problem with the pointer, because after function is over, how can you return local variable address? After function is over, how can you return local variable? How can you return local variable address? Because function over means local variables are dead. Whenever local variables are dead, at that time how can you send local variable address? If you access that, you will get garbage values. See the second one. Second one is more problem. Int star px memory allocated. Address is assume that 3000. Px memory created, address is 3000. But remember, is a pointer variable. He is expecting some address. Px expecting some address. Px is a pointer variable, he is expecting some address. But interesting thing is, he is expecting some address, okay, you are not given anything. If you are not given anything, inside there is a garbage. If you are not given, see int star px, inside px you didn't kept anything, there is a garbage inside. That garbage may be null also. That garbage may be anything, right? So you didn't kept any address. Px is a pointer variable. You didn't kept any address. You said star px. What is the answer? Star garbage. Garbage may be null also. Star null. There may be a chance of segmentation error. Simple. Without assigning any address. How can you say star? You don't, right? You don't know what address you have. That may be invalid address, like null. That may be invalid address. Without keeping valid pointer, how can you say star? That is the biggest problem. Comparing first one, second one is more danger. Comparing first one, second one is more danger. Please careful. Because without keeping the valid address, how can you say star? Without keeping valid address, how can you say star? That is the problem. Now in the third one, if you observe, see, in the third one, if you observe, inside px, address is expected. So what he done? Using malloc, he created some address. Address of this one is 4000. Inside px, you kept 5000. 5000, malloc is already created some data. Right? Next one. Inside that you stored some data also 10. Right? Using that pointer variable px is, what is the px? 5000. Star 5000 is 10. You stored. Afterwards return. See this one. I think pointer variable is waiting. You are given valid address also, and using that valid address you accessed and you stored also, return px. No problem. Mostly here no problem. That is the reason he is given likely to cause problem with the pointer. First one, likely to give pointer because of dangling pointer. Second one, uninitialized pointer you are accessing. So second one also likely to cause problem. Third one, chance of getting problem, but chances are very less. Right? Likely to cause problem with the pointer. Here also problem will come, but not that much, because sometimes malloc may return null. When memory not available, malloc may return null. If you say star null, segmentation error. But it is a very rare incident. It may not happen also. It is a very rare incident, malloc returning null. So third one also looks like little, right? Little not okay, but overall it is fine. Right? Which one of the following not likely to cause problem with the pointer? I think third one. Sometimes third one also, but mostly no. 99% no. 99% no. 99% no. So answer for this problem. What is the answer for this problem? Which of the above three functions are likely to cause problem with the pointer? What is the answer? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Not likely to cause problem with the pointer. Right? 1 and 2 will cause the problem with the pointer. Which of the above three functions are likely to cause problem with the pointer? Answer is C. Answer is C. Third, no dangling. Right? Vandita, see the third one. You are returning address. What you are returning? You are returning px. What is the px? 5000. 5000 created by malloc. 5000 created by malloc. What is the meaning? Until unless you say free, you don't go. Right? See everyone now. You are returning px. Px is 5000. 5000 created by malloc. If something created by malloc, until unless you say free, it don't go. Until unless you say free, it don't go. If something created by malloc, until unless you say free, it don't go. Right? Careful. That is the reason. Right? Heap memory allocation is called as dynamic memory allocation. That is the reason heap memory is called as dynamic memory allocation. That is the reason heap memory allocation is known as dynamic memory allocation. Yeah, let's go to next problem. Yeah, check this also. It is a nice problem. Please take care. It is a nice problem. Please take care. Yeah, so Kunal is saying that worst case, best case. Sorry, Kunal, worst case and big O no relation. Kunal, worst case and big O no relation. Don't see the options, man. Complete the problem. Kuntal, I think his name is right, Kuntal. Her name is Kuntal Rajyam. So she is thinking something about the big O omega. No relation at all. No relation at all. It look like some people will say some relation is there, but there is no relation, to be frank. To be frank, there is no relation. I will explain. First you try. Maybe that may be the reason. That may be the reason. Right, I will explain. Let me try. Everyone listen, let me try. Careful everyone, I am trying. I am trying. One time listen. Assume that, so as problem is mentioned, balanced binary search tree with n elements. Balanced binary search tree with n elements, which is nothing but AVL tree. It is a AVL tree. Balanced binary search tree is nothing but AVL tree. It is a AVL tree. Right, it is a AVL tree. So let us assume that some values are there. Right, now listen, AVL tree, because of AVL tree is a BST, left smaller, right greater. AVL tree is a BST, left smaller, right greater. If you want, I will keep values also. Let me keep some values. 50, 30, 40, 35, 45, 20, 25, 15, 80, 90, 100, 85. Next one is going to be, I think, 60, 70, 55. So if you want, you can check, it is a AVL tree, right? Because left smaller, right greater, so it is a BST, and balanced also, it is a AVL tree. Can you help, in this AVL tree, right? So remember, you, whether you know or not, I don't know. Listen this point also. Everyone listen. BST in order. Ascending order. BST in order, ascending order. Remember everyone, BST or AVL tree. In order is ascending order. Means what is the meaning? If I do in order on this, I will get the ascending order. If I do in order on this, I will get the ascending order. BST in order, AVL tree in order will give ascending order. BST in order, AVL tree in order will give ascending order. So on this tree, if I do in order, I will get the ascending order. But what the question here is, listen, see everyone now, if I start from here, if I apply in order, I will get ascending order. From this element onwards, if I apply in order, I will get the ascending order. Now what you have to do is, listen everyone, let us assume that it is A. Let us assume that it is A. Let us assume that it is B. So what is your goal is, A to B, he already mentioned. Assume that the number of reported elements are K. Assume that between A to B, K people are there. In the ascending order between A to B, K people are there, assume. Ascending order between A and B, right? From A to B in the ascending order, K people are there, assume. So what he is saying is, you have to print A to B, how many elements are there, all of them you have to print. If I apply in order from here, I will get ascending order all. Now I want ascending order of all. No, I want ascending order of A to B only. If I do ascending order from the root, right, I will get all in the ascending order. But I want ascending order from A to B only. I don't want all. I want A to B, from A to B ascending order. From A to B ascending order I want. How? Very simple. What you do is, careful everyone, what you do is everyone listen. What you do is, start from root. Is 50 is equal to, because I want to find out 35, because I have to start printing from 35. So what you do is 50 is equal to 35? No, less than this. Is 30 is equal to 35? More than this. Is 40 is equal to 35? Less than this. 35 is equal to 35? Yes. So because of it is a AVL tree, using search property, first to find out A. I think to find out A, right, is asking worst case or best case. Is asking worst case or best case? See this one, worst case is asking. So to find out A, worst case time, it will take log n time, because it may be leaf node. First to find out A, worst case log n time, log n plus, listen, log n plus, from here until B, apply in order. From here, see this one, if I apply in order from here, right, all elements ascending order. If I apply in order from here, from this element onwards, all in the ascending order. This element onwards, all are in the ascending order. Just find out A. After finding A, from there apply in order until B will come. Remember, in order on n people, n time. In order on k people, k time. So k time. Finding A in the AVL tree log n. Finding A in the AVL tree is log n. From there, printing k people in the in order will take k time. Answer is log n plus k. Right? See the option. Answer is log n plus k. Careful. So answer is B. Answer is log n plus k. Log n for finding A. K for printing all the people, all the k people. N people in order will take n time. K people in order will take k time. Log n plus k. So those people who are having doubt, you can ask now. Worst case finding A is log n. Best case 1, because root itself may be. Best case is finding A, best case 1. I think Vandita saying that log n for finding B also not required. Vandita not required, because whenever it is B, right, from A onwards apply ascending order. From A onwards apply in order. When you are printing, if B comes, stop. From A onwards apply in order. When you are printing one by one, B comes, print and stop. Vandita, are you getting? If B comes, print and stop. Otherwise, from A onwards, print k people, stop. From A onwards, print k people, stop. No need to find out B also. From A onwards, exactly k people you print. Whenever k over, stop it. Nice doubt, Vandita, nice doubt. Is it okay? Check anyone having doubt. So can you help me now? Worst case, what is the k value? Can you help me now? Worst case, what is the k value? Worst case, what is the k value? Worst case k value n. Maybe a to b, from a to b all elements may be there. From a to b all elements may be there. Worst case it may be n. Right? It can be anything. So it's better to write k. K may be anything. If k is n, log n plus n, it will take care. If k is 1, log n plus 1, it will take care. K will cover everything. You no need to write anything by yourself. Just you write in terms of k only. Right? If he say, right, from a to b n people are there, then log n plus n. If he say between a to b only constant people, log n plus constant. Between a to b only k people, log n plus k. Whatever he will say, we will do that. Whatever he will say, we will do that. That's it. If he say k people, n people, one person. So answer is log n plus k. Right, and one more small line, show up, please give answer. One more small line, log n plus k, who is bigger? Right, so can you help me now? So show up, please give answer. Log n plus k, who is bigger? Log n plus k, who is bigger? Log n plus k, who is bigger? Yeah, exactly Rahul, it depends upon k. That is the reason I am unable to eliminate any one. I am unable to eliminate log n, I am unable to eliminate k. I am unable to eliminate log n, I am unable to eliminate k. It can be anything. Suppose if someone said to me k bigger, then answer is log n plus k is nothing but k only. If someone say log n plus k, log n bigger, then log n plus k is log n only. Because of we are not sure, just keep both. We are not sure, just keep both. Right? Right? If we know which one is bigger, I could have taken. I don't know which one bigger. Can you help me now? When A is the answer? Can you help me now? When A is the answer? Can anyone help me? When A is the answer? Those people who knows the answer for this, please let me know. When A will be the answer? When A will be the answer? When? If they say log n and k, log n bigger, then A is the answer. Log n and k, log n bigger, then answer is log n. Yeah, exactly Rahul, thank you so much. Rahul, thank you so much. If they say log n and k, log n bigger, then answer is log n. If log n and k bigger, then k is the answer. If you don't know, shut your mouth. If you don't know, shut your mouth. Someone is saying that k is height of AVL tree. Who said to you? Who said to you? K is height of AVL tree. Who said to you? अरे कुछ होगा, कुछ तो होगा. अरे कुछ तो होगा. Who said to you? K is less than or equal to height. Who said? Height of AVL tree may be log n. Height of AVL tree is log n. Height of AVL tree. But K may be n also. कुछ तो होगा. K may be n also. K may be n also. K may be n also. No relation at all. So I can say like this one, k less than or equal to n, कुछ तो होगा, k less than or equal to n, k less than or equal to height of ABL tree, wrong, k less than or equal to n. Yeah, maybe whatever you said true, right? But right, so what the kuch to hoga saying is, right, Arey, why don't you change the name? Every time I have to say kuch to hoga. Why don't you change the name, man? Every time I have to say kuch to hoga. Every time, man. Kuch to hoga is so inconvenience. Change name, man. Every time who will say kuch to hoga? It will become a joke to other people. Right? Your actual name may be kuch to hoga. It will become joke to other people. It will become, people will think that I am saying kuch to hoga. People are thinking that. But it is actually your name. Maybe your mama, papa kept a name as kuch to hoga. It is actually your name. People will think that I am saying kuch to hoga again and again. Change name, man. Arey, kuch to hoga. Change the name, man. Arey, Shoaib Akhtar saying, sir, we are searching A to B, so k will be always positive, so log n plus k will be bigger. Arey, man, how can you say like this? So we are talking about asymptotically. See, though big O omega theta there means asymptotically. Forget about constants. Right? We are, see, big O omega theta in the option. That is asymptotically. Forget about constant. Constant factor may be, right, small. Constant factor may be big. Right? Fine, let's go to next problem. Answer for this one is, listen, if he mentioned comparing k and log n, if log n is bigger, A is the answer. If he mentioned k and log n, we don't know, anything can happen, then B is the answer. That is the answer for this problem. Right? Let's check the next problem. Can you go to next problem? Yeah, this is the problem. Right, try this. This is the next problem. Try this. What will be the answer for this? Try this one. What will be the answer for this? Let A be an array containing n integers in increasing order. Let A be an array containing n integers in the increasing order. The following algorithm determines whether there are two distinct integers in the range whose difference is a specified number s greater than 0. Let A be an array containing n integers in increasing order. So remember, right? Array containing n integers in increasing order. So sorted array is their increasing order. The following algorithm determines whether there are two distinct integers in the array whose difference is a specified number. Means you have to identify in the given array two elements are there whose difference is a specified number s. So you have to find out two people A and B so that A minus B is s. You have to find out two people A and B so that A minus B it will become s, which is the greater than 0. S is greater than 0. Can you try this? Array contain n elements, increasing order, right? And you have to find out two people, whose difference is s, you have to find out two people whose difference is s, which is the greater than 0. Can you try once? So can I discuss? I given lot of time. Can I go ahead? Yeah, let's try this. Many people try. Let's try this. Everyone listen. See this one. Everyone listen. See everyone. Increasing order. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, right? Otherwise I will give from index 0. I will give. Index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on 70. Indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on 6. Now listen. I value 0. So I is 0. J is 1. J is this. I is 0. J is this. right? Fine. Now he is trying to find out two people whose difference is yes. Whose difference is yes. Remember, I is first element index, j is the next element index. So, and one more, how many elements are there? 0 to 6 means 7 elements are there. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. Now listen, j is 1, I is 0. See what is the answer? Can you help me now? Is 1 less than 7? Is 1 less than 7? Condition true. Right, go inside. If E j plus plus, can you help me? If E j plus plus, can you help me now? What is A of I? 0. What is A of j? I is 0, A of I is 10, j is 1, A of j is 20. Can anyone help me now? So A of j minus A of I, how much? I value 0, j value 1, A of 1 minus A of 0, how much? 20 minus 10 is 10, right? Is that particular 10 is equal to yes. If it is equal, listen, if it is equal, stop. If equal, stop. Can anyone help you now? If equal, stop. Aj minus ai equal to yes, stop. That's okay. Suppose not equal, two choices. Suppose, right, not equal, two choices. Can you help me now? 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. But I want, you only say 20 minus 10. Second element minus first element difference is I got 10. But I want, you only say I want 50. I want 50. Which side I have to go? 20 minus 10 is I got 10, but I want 50. Which side I have to go? Should I increment I or should I increment j? I want answer from you. If you increment j, more difference will come, more difference, because increasing order. Because you want more. If you increment j, you will get the more answer. So I think over, right? J plus plus. What is the answer? Let me write the j. Aj minus ai is this value, if less than yes, aj minus ai, which is the 10, less than 50, right? Because I want sum as 50. Then I have to go, right? Then j have to go, not I. What is the answer? Aj minus ai is less than s. I think B is the answer. Suppose assume that 200, second element assume that 200, assume second element assume that 200 minus 10 is 190, but I want 50 only. Then what you do? If you want only 50, and means difference should be less, so I will increment. If you want less, listen, if you want less, then I plus plus. Difference you want more, j plus plus. If you want, right, see this one. If you want less, I plus plus. If you want more, j plus plus. Right, see this one. Aj minus ai is less. I want more, but unfortunately less came, then j plus plus. Right? Suppose assume that you want more, less came. This is the thing. You want less, but more came. Then I think I plus plus. Like that. Just to take one example and verify. Just you take one example and verify. Just to take one example and verify. Sir, you are using brute force algorithm and it's time. Array, show up. Don't talk with half knowledge, man. Where is the two for loops here? It is a brute force method. Is it brute force method? Where is the two for loops, man? Only one for loop, n time. Where is the two for loops? If you want to get two for loops, if you want to get n square, two for loops required. Are you getting? If you want to get n square, two for loops required, one for loop only there. It is first of all, it is a sorted array. Right? Because of sorted array, I am not applying brute force. It is a very good algorithm. It is a very good algorithm. One scan only. One scan only. That's what I am asking. One scan only. It will take order of n time. See, every time either j plus plus will happen, I plus plus will happen. Every time there is nowhere minus minus. Check. Either both are going forward direction. Both are going forward direction. Both are going forward direction. One scan only. Answer is order of n. Right? Just to see, both are going in the forward direction. See, nowhere. See this one. See correctly. See correctly. First element is compared with the second. First is not compared with all. Right? If you cover every NC2, that is the n square. Right? Here only one possibility only there, which will goes to n time. Which will go to n time. But anyhow, time complexity, who asked you? First of all, no one asked you time complexity. You yourself said some time complexity, which is wrong. Control, man. First control. First control. Right. So answer for this problem is B. Answer for this problem is B. So this is going to be very danger. I think it will take a lot of time. Right. Next problem we'll see. Right. Let's see this. This is the problem. Just wait. Yeah, this is the problem. Yeah, verify. Is it okay? Verify if it is okay. Yeah, this is the problem. So this program is given, listen, this program is given, they are asking, forget about this, it is not required, it is structure only, forget about, this is not required. So start from main, what is the output of this program, can you check? What is the output of this program, can you check? Can you try what will be the answer of this? So please try your answer. Can I go ahead? Yeah, let me do once. Let me do once. Can I go ahead? Can I give answer? Yes, let's see. See this. So I think using this line, struct node star box e head star box n int right int index is equal to 0. So 3 people created, 3 variables are created, 3 or 4 I think. Yeah, one normal integer variable, right? This is I think the next line. This is the next line. This is the next line. So 3 pointer variables are created, box e head box n. Next one int index 0, that's okay. Next one, using malloc memory created, that name is given as box e, another one is head. Let me write. One node created using malloc, right? One node is created, right, which contain inside. If you see the structure inside, one is value, one is next. It is the first one is value, next one is next. See what he is saying. So after creating one node, name is given as this name. This name is given as box e, one name is box e, one more is a head also. 2 names are there, right? This contain 2 names. Using malloc, one node is created, address is 1000, name is box e also, head also. That's fine. See the next line. See the next line. So head value means this value is equal to index. Index is initially 0. Head value is equal to 0. That is also okay. Let me write head here. Head is this. Right. Perfect. Till now it's okay. Now let's continue further. One for loop he took. He took one for loop. In the for loop he is doing something. If you see the for loop, index 1 to index 3. So 1, 2, 3. For loop is 3 times. For loop is 3 times. Every time malloc. So means every time one node created. For loop is 3 times. Every time one node created. For loop 3 times. 3 times malloc. 3 nodes are created. And one more thing, not only creating a node, that name is called box n. Every time one node created, that is called box n. But how the linking is done, box e, box n, you can verify, right? So that is called, new node is called box n. So box e next is box n. What is the meaning? This next is this. After making this next is equal to this one, right? Box n value is equal to index. What is the current index? 1. So index is current index 1. So linking is done. Afterwards, box e is equal to box n. What is the answer? This box e is this. Right? Like that it is going on. Box e is box. Once again come back for loop. Right? Index 2, same. This is box n. This is box n, this is box e. So I think index value is 2. Linking is done like this. So box n becomes box e. Right? Again, next loop. It is a box n. Right? Index is going to be 3. Linking is done like this. Box e becomes box n. So it is the box e. So like that it happened. So at the end of the for loop, listen, at the end of the for loop, this is the story. At the end of the for loop, if you observe, this is the story. Careful, at the end of the for loop, this is the story. What is the answer? This is box e. Right? This is box e. Once again come back, loop is over. Now come back. Now everyone careful. Now this for loop is started here. This for loop started here. Where it is ended? Here. This for loop is started here, ended here. Let's see what is happening. In this for loop is started from 0 to 3 means 4 times. This for loop is going on 4 times, 0 to 3. But previous for loop is 1 to 3. Now this for loop is 0 to 3, totally 4 times. Can you see every time index value 0, index value 1, index value 2, index value 3. Each index value see inside. Printf value at index is, right? Every time print index also, right? Print index also, and one more thing is head value also. Head is already here. Let's start now. Start the for loop. Index is, first time index is 0. Next time, right, head value 0. Fine, 0 printed. Afterwards head is equal to head next. Head came to here. Again afterwards, right? So first I value 0 end, right? Head next, head value 0 printed. Afterwards head is equal to head next to, again index plus 1, head plus 1, head value. Can you help in index plus 1? Index is already 0, right? 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Next one, head value, because of head is changed, 1 plus 1 2, right? Head value how much it is? I am repeating once again. First time is going to be index 0, head value also 0. Next one, head is equal to head next to, head came here. Index is still 0 only, so 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Head value is, what is the head value? Head is equal to head next, right? Head value is 1, sorry for that. Head value 1. Current status, fine. Now next one, can you come back here? Index is 1 now. Now index is 1. See what happening. 1 here, right? Next one, head value is 1, fine. Afterwards head is equal to head next to, head is here. Index plus 1 is 2, right? Head next also, right? Head value also 2, fine. That is also printed. Afterwards I is equal to 0 over, I is equal to 1 over. Now index value 2, right? Index value 2, let's check here. Index value 2 going on. So first one is going to be 2 printed. Next one, head value 2 printed. Afterwards head is equal to head next here. Head is equal to head next here. Next one, index plus 1. What is, as of now index is what? Third time is going on. 2 plus 1. What is the index value? Index value 2 means 2 plus 1 3. It is a 3. Next one, what is the head value? Head value also 3. Right? Head value also 3. So I think first time this is printed, second time it is printed, it is the third time going on. So third time I think index plus 1 is going to be 3. Right? Head value also 3, fine, current fine. Now can you come back now? What is the answer now? Index value now 3. Index value is now 3. So what will happen now? So first if you observe clearly, 3 printed. Next one, head value 3 also printed. Fine. Next one, head is equal to head next. Head is equal to head next. I think head is outside. Right? Afterwards, what is the head plus 1? Head plus 1 becomes, right? Head is, right? So index plus 1 is what? Index is already 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Afterwards, a head value. Head is already outside. Head is equal to head next means head is already outside. Outside value means, I think here, if anyone is not getting, carefully observe. Here you are doing, right? Head is already null. Null next you are saying, sorry, null value you are saying. Here null value. Here segmentation error. Please careful. D reference to null. You are saying star null. I think answer is going to be, right? Answer is going to be, it has a missing, see, it has, right? It dereferences an uninitialized pointer that may result in a runtime error. This is the answer. It dereferences an uninitialized pointer that may result in a runtime error. Because you are not initialized anything here. See, this is actually null also not there. See, null also not there. No null also. Uninitialized pointer, same segmentation error. Uninitialized pointer. see last node next you are utilizing which is uninitialized. If you say star, segmentation error will come. So please verify properly, right? Maybe there may be some confusion here, please verify. Every I value, see this one, every I value, index value 0, it will work out. Index value 1, it will work out. Check properly. Index value 2, it will work out. Index value 3, it will work out. So index value 3, fourth place, here problem will come. What is the problem? Here already head is null. You are saying at this place problem is you are saying head value. Head is already null value, which is segmentation error. Please careful. Head value, head may be because of you are not uninitialized, it may be null. Null value, segmentation error will come. Null value, segmentation error may come. Careful, it's a very interesting problem. It's a very interesting problem. So anyone having any doubt? Last node next you are not initialized. But you said head arrow value means star head dot value, means you done star, right? Already it is a right unknown value. Unknown, if you say star, segmentation error may come. Careful. Right, fine. Thank you so much. Right, in the next class with some more problems we will see. Today we done many problems. Many problems I explained. Right, thank you so much. See you in the next class.